What up, huh?
I still believe in it, fail not. No strings attached, tongue out, we a shell top. They run DMC war, was loving you before. The G4s, yacht parties out on Capri Shores. Ain't from Maryland, but I think we could be more of an item. Size white for my icing, trust me, ain't nothing like them. Was times I would F they minds before I pipe them. Make them feel like the love of my life before I sight them.
It's a whole new day, a whole new wave. Ain't worried about nothing, everything's looking up. Yeah, I was going through a phase, thinking always thinking something, like I ain't never good enough. Yeah, I've been thinking of the time I wasted. I've been looking in all the wrong places for love. That really brought me down. Yeah, I'm so sick of being sad and lonely until I can find the one I know I need. I'll never give up on me, no. I still believe in love. Can't lower my standards high. The man, the guy, that treat me like the queen that I be. In the middle of the night, fantasize, he only thinking about me. I've been thinking of the time I wasted. I've been looking in all the wrong places for love. That really brought me down. Yeah, I'm so sick of being sad and lonely until I can find the one I know I need. I'll never give up on me, no. I still believe in love. Love. I still believe in love. Still believe in love. Still believe in love. I still believe in love. Love. I still believe in love. I still believe in love. Yes, I still believe in love. Still believe.
My money is still attractive, honey is still the baddest. That OG status, elite savage. I pray for you. Them tough times made me made for you. Wish I was there to do them days with you. God bless you, you special. I first met you, you was moving with sun, but I could tell you was losing your You wasn't used to that swag, Chanel bags, yeah, you used to a ton. It goes bad with men abusing the fun. I was one of them. Fresh from Essence, Harlem fly legend. Could tell he be flexing. Pharrell LV dressing, collection. To see you happy be a blessing. Guessing no more stressing. Yes, me and you was destined. Still believe this shit. Bad energy, negativity, lead that shit. I respect your following and your leadership. You the captain of my boat, you can lead the shit.
I still believe in love.